Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Talk. Today we're doing something fun and educational. I'm reacting to all the beginner mistakes I used to make. Trust me, some of these are painful, some are hilarious, and all of them are super relatable. And the best part? You'll learn how to avoid every single one.
But you'll learn from all of them. So let's jump in.
Mistake number 1. Overthinking everything. Oh man, this was my signature move. I'd overthink everything.
Facts. You used to spend 30 minutes just deciding how to say hello.
Facts. You used to spend 20 minutes just deciding how to say hello.
And here's the fix. Taking action beats perfection. You learn by doing, not by waiting to feel ready.
Exactly. Start messy, improve later. Mistake number 2. Talking too fast.
You know what's funny? I used to talk like I was racing against the clock.
Bro, I remember. You'd finish a whole paragraph in 15 seconds.
I was uneasy and believed that speaking quickly showed confidence.
But the real fix? Slow down.
A slower speaking pace makes you sound more confident and easy to understand.
Mistake number 3. Not asking questions. Here's my embarrassing one. I used to give short answers and wait for the other person to magically continue the conversation.
Spoiler alert, they never did.
Never. The fix was simple though. Ask open-ended questions like, how did you get into that? What was your favorite part? Mistake number 4. Trying to impress everyone.
This one was on me. I put in so much effort just to impress others.
You used words that sounded impressive but didn't feel like you.
Because I believed I always had to sound intelligent.
But the truth is, people want real, not perfect.
Mistake number 5, avoiding eye contact.
Okay, I used to look everywhere except at the person's face.
Floor, ceiling, your own shoes.
I was practically talking to the furniture.
The fix? Just make quick, simple eye contact for a few seconds at a time.
Small eye contact equals big confidence.
Mistake number 6, being too hard on ourselves.
Oh, this one hits everyone. Every tiny mistake felt huge.
I couldn't stop thinking about awkward moments for days. Oh, this.
Meanwhile, the other person forgot in 10 seconds.
Seriously, people aren't paying as much attention as we think they are.
Mistake number 7. Thinking we had nothing interesting to say.
I used to think other people were always more interesting.
But everyone has stories, hobbies, struggles, dreams.
Authenticity beats trying to sound impressive every time.
So if you've made any of these mistakes, congratulations, you're human.
And you're growing. If this video helped you, smash that like button and drop a comment.
What's your biggest beginner mistake? We'll reply with specific tips.
See you in the next one.